Being prepared, a beginner's guide to camping basics. Camping is a great experience. Being able to become one with nature can be a very liberating experience for many people. If you've never been camping before and the idea worries you, read on for a few helpful hints and tips. When packing for your camping trip, do not forget chairs and a radio. One of the best parts of camping is sitting around the campfire. You could sit on an old log, but why bother when you can pack chairs and be comfortable? The radio is for entertainment sitting around the fire. An even better idea is to bring your guitar for a sing-along. Always seek shelter before it is too dark to assess your surroundings. Once it grows black in the woods, you can have a hard time setting up your tent, preparing food, and getting adequate firewood. That is particularly true if you aren't used to the blackness of the wilderness. Avoid this situation by finding shelter before the moon is out. When you are camping, a necessity for your gear is a survival knife. This is the most important part of your camping gear. Buy a high-quality survival knife, not just the cheapest you can find. Your life may depend on it. These knives are all very similar. They have a long blade serrated on one side and a hollow handle. Inside the handle you can carry fishing line, hooks, a compass, and matches as a small survival kit. When you go camping, be sure to wear closed-toe shoes. Walking in wooded areas, you can come across almost anything, not to mention things can fall on your feet. You may also want to take a hike. So the next time you go out camping, make sure to wear shoes that can go everywhere you want to go. If you have special drinks that you like, take them with you camping. It is easy to forget things like green tea, hot cocoa, or your special blend of coffee. You can even take wine if it is a romantic camping adventure. Just don't forget to pack a corkscrew. Now it's possible to plan your greatest camping trip yet thanks to this advice. Keep your new information close at hand, and your camping experiences will take shape in short order. It does not matter if you stay close to home or travel far away for your camping adventure, you will have the time of your life. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.